Welcome once again to this video. Now today I'm gonna show you guys how you'll be able to search for job in Canada, that is LMIA job. Without wasting much of your time, just open your browser and type this Canada dot, okay, so you see canada.gc.ca, and then you hit on go, and that's what you see here. You have here government of Canada, and you have English, and then you have French. So if you understand French, you just choose France, and if you understand English, you just go by typing on English. So we will choose English here to continue, and this is the interface of it. And as you can see, this is the government of Canada. Okay, so let's scroll down here. The moment you get here, you just have to scroll down, and what we are doing is that we want to find job. So you see find a job, just click on find a job, and then it will move you to this part where you see job bank. This is job bank, so you hit on job bank, and then it will take you to the website where you'll be able to find jobs to apply. Now the moment you get here, you see this profile here, this profile icon here. So what I have to do is to just click on that, and then you click on job seeker. You know we are looking for job, so you click on job seeker. So this is the next page for job seekers. So if you already have your account, you already have job bank account, all I have to do is to just enter your email address and your password to start searching for job. But in case you don't have the account, all I have to do is to check down bottom here, and you will see sign up now. So you click on sign up now to create your account. All right, so this is create an account. Before you'll be able to search job on this platform, you need to get an account. We have plus account, and then we have standard account. Now if you are not in Canada, you can create this account. This is mainly for those in Canada, okay, and this is for outside Canada. So if you find yourself outside Canada, you just have to create this type of account, which is standard account. So you hit on sign up now to sign up to this platform by filling in some simple details. So this is the terms of use. Okay, you just have to take your time. Please take your time and read the terms, read the eligibility criteria. Then when you are done, read the disclaimer. Okay, read everything about this page, and then so that you'll be able to understand what you're going to do, you hit on I agree, then it will move on to the next stage. So when you hit on agree, this is, we have 3 steps, 1 2 3, you have 4 steps to complete your application. So first of all, you have to fill any of this information here. So you have your email address, you just have to enter your email address. So I'll pause and do that. Email address, you see here to be your language, you choose your language here, okay, and then this is what you're supposed to do. When it comes to your password must be 8 characters long, have at least one uppercase letter, have at least one lowercase letter, have at least one number, and have at least one special character. So this is how your password should be, okay. So take your time and follow this password procedure that I've given to you. After creating your password, you hit on continue. Step 2, user email confirmation. So an email including a confirmation code has been sent to your email address. So you just have to go to your email address to confirm that email. This code expires in 1 hour, so you have 1 hour to confirm. So you just have to go to your email and click on that, or you go to your email and then you see the confirmation code, just copy the code and put it here, okay. So after copying your code, you paste it here, and then you hit on continue to continue your account, okay. If you're enjoying the video, please do well to subscribe to this channel for more videos from me, and if you're watching me from TikTok, do well to follow this account. So next thing, we are moving to security questions. Now just have to take note of this one. Here you are going to be asked some questions. Now this is going to answer them. Okay, there are options that you are going to answer. Anytime that you want to log in using this account that you are creating, you will be asked any of these questions. You need to provide answers to this question before you can proceed. So the first one is question 1. If you hit here, you will see there are a lot of questions here. What is your mother's middle name? So if you choose that, you type your mother's middle name here. Okay, you just have to type your mother's middle name. If your mother is a Quia, you type a Quia. Okay, and then you move on to the next one. Step 2, another question, set of questions here. You just choose what is your mother's maternal grandmother's name. So if that is what you want, you enter your grandmother's name here. Let's say, yeah. You move on to the next question, which is question 3. Which magazine do you read? So you just enter anything there. Okay, then you move on. Make sure that what you are entering you will remember at any time. Okay, so you move on to the next question, and then you just have to enter them. Okay, and then you move on to the next question, which is question 5. Then you choose the option. You just choose the option, and then you just have to enter, and you hit on continue. Okay, now just wait a few minutes, and this will be open to the next page. All right, so last one, authentication. Here you need to finish this one. Any field marked with an asterisk should be, so your title, Mr. First name, you enter your first name, so, and you enter your first name, your last name, your postal code, you enter your postal code here. Okay, and then you hit I am not Canadian resident, and then you hit on finished, and it will load for you. Boom, the account is ready now. So welcome to Job Bank Ike. This is the first time you have signed in. So this is how you will be able to create Job Bank accounts. Watch the next video. I will show you guys how you'll be able to search for job after creating your account. See you. Bye bye.